Good morning. It's March 2, our day 28 for the bug restoration project. Okay, so let's see what he had finished today. It's only 10 a.m. in the morning of March 2. Okay, as you have noticed, he has already joined the inner running bird. Okay. So this is removable.
Ito, may kurbada yan yung original yan eh.
Yep. This one is supposedly would be attached to the body. So we're just fixing it right now here to get the full contour of the body. Afterwards, since it's with screw from the downside, we'll be removing it and attach it here and weld it into the body. Okay, so it's just aligning it here at the chassis. So when he welded it and joined it to the body, to this body, it will be aligned already. Okay, so this is the finished one. Okay, this is the finished one. Yep, this one. That's another one. It's going to mold it again. Okay, so do stand by for the development. Good morning. It's February. Oh, no. It's March 4, day 29 of our Bugeye restoration project. Let me show you the progress of yesterday's work, and we'll be painting the what my tinsmith finished yesterday. Okay, so he has finished both left and right inner tumble or inner running board, which is mounted to the body. He just mounted it here first to get the right measurement. So this part will be painted again, so rust won't have a chance to affect the metal. So stand by, we'll be painting it later. Okay, now my tinsmith is working on the body. First, he's removing the door. He'll be working on the body now. Okay, so we did strip off again the paint and sand it off, or grinded it, so that the next paint will bond well with the metal. Okay, so that's the inner tumble or inner running board. Grinded a bit earlier, and we'll apply galva coat again, same as this one. Okay, just painted the floor pan and the chassis again with Galva coat and inner running board. Okay, finished product for day 29 tayo, no? Day 29. Okay, my tinsmith will work on the body now. Good afternoon. Today is March 5, day 30 of our Volkswagen Beetle project. Okay, so yesterday I was not able to come back at in the afternoon. They did put the body on the chassis now just to test fit everything. So they're test fitting the floor pan and the chassis and the body if it fits. Luckily it fits well. Good morning. Today is March 7. It's our 31st day on the Volkswagen Bugeye Beetle restoration. So today is working on the body, taking measurement and alignment and leveling it so that before he repairs it, everything is in correct position and correct measurement. Morning, it's day 32 of our Bugeye Beetle restoration. So it's now cutting the side fender for repair, and Danny is still stripping off the fender. Okay, so do stand by for an update. So we have to go deeper. Yeah, we have to go deeper to the inner side of the vehicle to repair all the damaged posts that will hold the door and the pillars. Again, for the pillar, we've been thinking about using schedule 14 plain sheet, but rather than that, I think we'll be using a 3.0 steel plate. So it will be much stronger, a little bit heavier though, but it will last long and will hold the column sections in every angle much better. So the deck lid is now been stripped off already. The door will be stripped off a little bit later and will be repaired as well. This time the inner fender will be dealt with. So that's how restoration works. There should be no shortcuts. You have to replace everything that's need to be replaced, or else restoration will fail. Everything should be on tip-top shape, especially the internals, so you could retain or regain the natural strength of each pieces. Good afternoon, it's day 33, March 9, 10? Something like that. Anyway, it's day 33 on our Bugeye Beetle project. I wasn't able to finish the day yesterday. Then today I wasn't able to go in the morning, so I just go visited today to check on what's going on. Okay, so do stand by. Okay, so here's what he finished already. This is the inner plate, no? Inner plate.
Cover.
Inner cover
Ayun po yun.
for the pillar. Tama.
Ito naman, mga ganun bisa-bisa.
Yeah, that's the anyway, this is the inner pillar. It will hold everything else, everything from the
Ito na yung
inner tumble
patigas siya sa
to the frame of the body.
Ito na yung
Yeah,
patigas sa poste.
this will make the post harder, sturdier.